Good morning, local news for Monday the 10th of April. An earthquake struck just out of Martinborough last night, striking just before 11 o'clock. It was located 45 kilometres south of Martinborough at a depth of 14 kilometres and was recorded at 4.8 on the Richter scale. A small 3.4 quake followed 16 minutes later and was slightly deeper. South Wairarapa District Council have received the results after they engaged a National Research Bureau to undertake a survey of results in 2003, 5, 10, 13 and 16. CEO Paul Crim says the surveys are very useful in gauging progress and are also used while deliberating on the annual plan and long-term plans. Satisfaction with services and facilities. One of the results showed 50% of residents are satisfied with the quality of water supply, whereas 94% of residents are satisfied with parks and reserves. And in sport and club rugby from the weekends, Friday night, Marist hosted Ekirahuna and beat them 24-15. Greytown beat Martinborough 34-10. Pioneer and Carterton drew 22 all, while Gladstone beat East Coast 50-22. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.